Hi, and welcome to Fred Builds Bikes. Regular viewers, if there are any of you, may remember this throwaway comment I made. Hey, you never know, could turn into Fred Sew Stuff. So as it turns out, I have actually been doing a bit of sewing this week. I decided I'd finally look at repairing the strap on my right hand glove that had been flapping in the wind and annoying me every time I was on my commute to work and back. And the other thing I looked at was I repaired a bit of a tear in my motorcycle pants. So with the wet weather, I don't really want to let any more water in than I have to. Well, this bit here doesn't look like there's much I can do with it, as all the hooks seem to be gone. So hopefully I can get some more Velcro before it rains again, because that's going to leak. Oh well. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to get a new bit of Velcro for that pair of pants, or probably just some new pants. I'm also thinking I might, if I am going to repair them, that I might patch up that knee. And while I'm at it, I'll probably have a look at making sure that my other gear's up to scratch as well. With the summer weather, it's quite hot, but when it does rain here in Australia, especially on the east coast and the eastern states, we tend to get a lot of rain, and it rains for days. So once you get wet, you get wet. If you like what you see, please remember to drop a like on the video, share it with your friends, and even subscribe to the channel if you like. And if you really like what you see and you want to see every single video, make sure you hit the bell for notifications. You get about one a week at this stage. That may change. Thanks again for watching.